recording the sewer line here at 758 38th Avenue West. 758 38th Avenue. Date is February 2nd, 2021. Making this recording from the backyard of 758. I'm going to make the first part of this recording from here, then jump over to the neighbor's house, 754, to show some of the work we did at that house. This first section is a combined line between these two homes. We're currently down in the backyard of the house on the street below. This is newer plastic piping installed at some point as part of the building of that home. So we're going to come back from here. This is not any Bob Oates work here. This is just showing that the line is all functioning down the hill there. And we'll come back and I'll show you where the Bob Oates work begins. Right there. So that's where the liner for Bob Oates ends, is right there at that junction. This is a 6-inch diameter liner. Coming back now towards the backyard of 754. This is a shared section of line that we installed a liner there to repair some issues. Coming back now into our repair we installed, we had to dig and we excavated a section down here where the line was actually broken and repaired that with PVC. And we come back into more liner that's going down the hill of 754. So this is on the steep hill, 754. We're coming back through the 6-inch diameter liner we installed. Come back into another PVC repair here shortly. There it is. This is a PVC repair we're going to get another look at here in a minute, but to your right there is the 754 connection. We're coming back now into 758's personal line. We've gone from 4-inch diameter PVC to 6-inch diameter PVC back to 4-inch diameter here. And back into the plastic pipe here that connects those two lines. This is the personal line of 758 still. None of this PVC work was done by Bob Oates. This was existing PVC work. All this black plastic, essentially everything back from our repair right here. That's the PVC repair Bob Oates installed. That white plastic, this black plastic was all existing already. This white plastic is all existing already. And then we're going to come back into a liner that Bob Oates installed. So we installed a liner that lifted right into the plastic as proposed. The 4-inch diameter liner. That 4-inch diameter liner comes back into this PVC cleanout that Bob Oates installed as well. So a small section of PVC cleanout, or new PVC that included a maintenance cleanout. There is the maintenance cleanout there. See at the surface, that's where we made the recording from. We're now going to bounce down to 754, take a look at the work done on their personal line. Pause the video. Okay, we're going to start this video down in the 6-inch section that we've already seen. 6-inch liner going down the hill here at 754. We're going to come back from this point and get a look at the work done at the 754 Mandula place. So coming back into our PVC repair there, that was at the top side of the hill. We are now coming back into the personal line for 754. That's where the PVC repair ends and goes back into the liner. So we installed a 4-inch liner that comes back up here towards the house, back side of the home. And camera got flipped around, but there's the liner, there's the end of the liner where the PVC connects, and coming back up out of the cleanout. Alright, we've seen the whole line here now, and all the repairs done by Bob Oates. End of the video.